Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use AWK command for text processing on Linux. So first of all we have to open our terminal, so I will go into show apps and press on terminal. And what is AWK command? As I said, it is command that is used for text processing, and we can do a lot of things with it. I will show you some examples, but at the beginning I prepared a file. I have a file that takes them, our txt, and I can show you that. I have basically 2 lines and 3 columns, and I will show you at this simple example at the beginning how this AWK command works, because we have a John and Kate, this is a 1 column. Here we have numbers, this is a 2nd column, and here we have Warsaw and Krakow. These are the 3rd column, these are cities. So, for example, we want to print only 1st column from this file. We can do it easily with AWK command. How do we do it? We can write something like this, AWK, and right now we have to start it like this, so like this, and we have to open braces and type in print, and now the $sign and the number, basically the number of column that we want to display. So I want to display the 1st column, so I will type 1. Now I can close braces, I can close this, and I can type in from what file I want to show that. So it is file that takes them, and as you can see, we have only John and Kate, only names as I wanted. I can also, for example, do it with the 3rd column. For example, I want to only cities, so I can type it something like this. Again, print $3. I can close that file that takes them. As you can see, I have only cities. And right now, for example, we can do a lot of interesting things, because for example I want to print only lines where the 2nd column is bigger, for example from a specific number. So for example I want to display only lines where the 2nd column is bigger than 27. So I want to display basically only this line. How do we do it? We can do something like this. So AWK, we can start it, and the 2nd column, so $2 must be bigger than 27, and if it happens, we have to print $0 and $0. $0 basically means that we are printing the whole line. So we can do something like this. We can close this braces, we can close that, and from file.txt. As you can see, only in this case 2nd column is bigger than 27, so we displayed only the 2nd line. And we can, of course, for example, that also might be interesting, for example we can add this column. So how do we add columns? We can do something that looks like a loop, basically from the programming, if you know what does it mean. So again, we can start braces, and we can do the sum basically, and add to the sum the 2nd column basically every time. It works like loop. So I can, and at the end I can print basically the sum, and I can close that, and from file.txt, and as you can see we have 55 because we added that, basically because we added this lines. That basically works like loop. It goes from the 1st, from the 2nd, from the 3rd, 4th, and so on, and it adds basically the numbers that we are having in the 2nd column. And right now what we can do, I can show you how to set a custom field separator, because by default the space is custom field separator. But for example, if we have a file like this, etc, where we are storing our users, and right there, this sign is a separator. So how do we change it from space to whatever sign we want, basically? We can type something like this. AWK, and right now -f, and the separator. So in this case it will be like this. And we want to, for example, print only one line, so we are doing the same as we were doing in the previous examples. So I can do something like this. And from this file, right there, and press enter, as you can see, we have only the first column. So that works. We can, of course, do it with comments, like, for example, I can display all processes. And I have something like this. And what should I do? To display, for example, only three first columns. I can use pipes. So I recorded a video how to use pipes in Linux. You can watch that if you don't know how to do it. But basically we can do something like this. So this command, and we are giving the output from this command as an input to the second command, and the second command will be basically AWK, and right now we are printing only the for example, three first columns. So $1, $2, $3, and we'll close that, and we will press enter. And as you can see, we have only three first columns from this command. So I think that is useful, and that will be all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.